And the aroma coming over here, man. You need to try this at home. I'm telling you, you have to try this. Man, the aroma is amazing.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This your boy Cuisine, and I'm back again. So in this video, I'll be showing you something that probably you have no idea about, or maybe you've just neglected because of the brainwash we have about our local food. This page or channel is to promote and showcase our traditional local food across Africa, and also to bring back memories, especially to those who have left the shores of Africa for a very long time. So today we'll be cooking with one of the most powerful oil we have on the African soil, especially West Africa. But this oil has been underrated, disregarded in this 21st century, but our forefathers really held this oil in high esteem. You can testify if you do really remember that your parents were cooking with this oil for you to eat. So what happened that all of a sudden this our oil is not being used anymore? The oil I'm talking about is called Palm Kernel Oil, Ajungo. Very powerful and medicinal. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you have an idea or have something to say about palm kernel oil. So after visiting our mothers who produce palm kernel oil in Kodokrum as a Kenita in Western region for the second time, after promising them safety ways, I made them cook some jollof with palm kernel oil and the taste was amazing. This was so delicious, and I wish you try this recipe using palm kernel oil and even to make stew with it. And if not anything, at least fry your fish with palm kernel oil. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share the video to support and show love, and don't forget to subscribe, follow and like the page as well, because we're all doing this together. Let's get started. So I'm here at Kodokrum Takradi, and last year I came here to do the palm kernel oil, okay, and there was this defect that I saw, like they were lacking some PPEs, okay, so I promised them that I'll bring them something. So over here to deliver the stuff that I bought, I have everything here, the PPEs, what they can use to protect themselves whilst working, okay, and also I would love them to use some of the palm kernel oil to cook for you guys to know that palm kernel oil is edible. Okay, yeah, so I'm here with the ladies over here that produce palm kernel oil, and this is the stuff that, or the donation that they are holding, yeah? Arkodo. When you are there? Amen. Amen. Yeah, so we are setting our fire and I'm using some of the chaff from the palm nuts, yeah? So we're about to prepare jollof using palm kernel oil. Ajungo, yeah, Ajungo jollof. Arkodo. It is
but there's a chance, no, not me.
On your black. Okay. So you use some of the palm kernel oil to wrap the pan, okay? So this will prevent the pan from getting black from the smoke. Yeah, so the pan is now hot. The pan is hot, so we're adding our palm kernel oil. So this palm kernel oil, Ajungo, yeah, and this is what we'll be using to do the jollof. And just to prove to you that palm kernel oil is edible, you can eat it, and it's good for your health as well. So this is Abeta, the one I met here last year, the palm kernel oil producer, you know, the manufacturer. That's a shibium, So they will sprinkle a bit of water inside the oil, yeah, to take away the scent, or yeah, that kernel oil scent, you know. Oil. So very little water has been added to take away the scent, okay? Now the onion goes inside like that. Oh. Yeah, so before the onion was added, a little bit of water was added inside the oil to take away the smell or the scent from it, and now I've added the onion to it, okay? What about the beef? So you add now beef to it. Anyway, as I said, this is I'm going Ajungo jollof. Ajungo jollof. So the rest of the oil comes inside. So the first oil was just to steam or to stir fry the oil. Okay, and now the rest has been added to it. Man, so added the tin tomatoes to it. Now I brought one of the tomatoes, so we're adding our chopped tomatoes over here, yeah, inside. Yeah, so we're in the process of making our stew for the jollof, yeah. So we are now adding in our tomato, the pepper, hot pepper, pepper powder. Okay. So basically, it's like making your stew or your jollof, anything, but just the difference is that we are using palm kernel oil, ajungo. That's all different. And the aroma coming over here, man. You need to try this at home. I'm telling you, you have to try this. Oh, avocado. I'm powder in account. Wow, man, the aroma is amazing. You don't even feel that it's palm kernel oil, ajungo. Wow. Woo. So we have a shrimp powder over here. So a bit of everything, okay? A bit of it, everything being infused inside. Now we should have that. Babu usually. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see in the boiling state. Yeah. Making sure everything is nicely done. Wow, some pleasant aroma. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, so we have our tin fish over here. So now the rice comes in like that. And again, I want to remind you that this is palm kernel jollof. Okay, this is not fried oil. This is not any other oil. This is palm kernel ajungo. I'm kind of fancy. Ajungo jollof. Man, we need to go back to our roots, our culture. This is what our forefathers were eating: palm kernel oil, making food with it. But now in this 21st century, we are refusing to eat it. Look how delicious the food looks like. If I never tell you this is palm kernel oil, will you ever believe this is palm kernel oil? You never believe that, but this is palm kernel jollof. Okay, amazing. There's nothing like any scent or something. Nothing. Perfectly done. Original Lankasa. Just look at this. Tell me the difference. Tell me the difference between this and the rest of the oil that you know. Do you see any difference? No, you don't. And I believe the taste will be amazing as well. I can't wait to try this food and let you guys know the outcome of it, the result. So because of the beef, we need to be careful with the salt, yeah? So we have to make sure that everything nicely mixed before we can decide to add more salt or not. So a cup of water has been added to it to help the rice cook. Okay, so we are now adding our salt to it because after water has been added, we need more salt to taste. Okay, so a bit of salt. So I'm communicating about how they should use the leaves instead of rubber. Man, I did a video last year and it was there's this rubber involved, and the comments under the post is not pleasant. So I didn't like that comment or that kind of situation to happen anymore. So from this trip, I'm advising them to use banana leaves and the other leaves that's available. Yeah, so our rice is, well, look at this, succulent and yummy. Mamma mia. Just look at that. Wow. Hey. Ajay, home fans. This I'm going to jollof and ajungo jollof. Look at the beef. Woo. It's delicious, and the aroma over here, amazing. So it's done, yeah. Kanzo, shishi. So it's ready now. So you have to kill it.
I want to forget my problems. I want to forget my sorrows.
Amen. Man, we're done with the food and
What's one?
I don't really anything. Man, this is perfect. Amazing. Man, this is ajungo jollof. Very delicious. Man, it's amazing. In front of you to have plans over here. There's no taste like palm kernel oil like this. It's amazing. Avocado. So the only aftertaste of this palm kernel oil is just like thick palm oil. Like you feel that aftertaste on your tongue or inside your mouth. It's the same thing, the same flavor, the same thing, nothing else. Man, amazing, very delicious food. I've really loved it to the fullest. You need to try this food. You need to try it. What's up with that? So, it's a miracle. Amen.
Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I know that from time to time you'll be cooking with palm kernel oil as well. And also remember that when you buy this local product, you help our mothers get the energy or to get money to produce more. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Please share. That's the important thing, to show love and support to me. For Shizzle Manezo, I'm out.